Hello guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you my DVD unboxing of Legend of the Guardians, The Owls of Ga'Hoole. Yep, I got this at Dollar General from yesterday for a price of $6.95. It says new. And then the bottom says, from the studio that brought you Happy Feet. You can see Soren and other Legend of the Guardians characters on there. As you can see, good movie, don't you? Saw it at a dollar movie back in December of 2010. So here's the front, here's the spine, and of course the back. It says, movies you buy. Breathtaking. Perfect for the whole family, says Manny De La Rosa, NBC TV. Special features which includes True Guardians of the Earth, Digger and Modern Families. Rico Rodriguez host this fascinating look into the world of owls and why they are counting on you to protect them. New Looney Tunes cartoon, Fur Flying. Rated G. This is languages and subtitles. English, Francis, and Espanol. Main feature bonus material trailer may not be subtitled. This is legendoftheguardians.com and WarnerVideo.com. This is soundtrack album on Water Tower Music. This is widescreen, presented in a letterbox widescreen format, preserving the scope, aspect ratio of its original theatrical exhibition, enhanced for widescreen TV, says dual layer format. DVD video. This is English SDH. Bonus material trailer may not be SDH. This is not authorized for sale or rental outside the USA and Canada. And the film was released by Warner Home Video, Warner Brothers Pictures, a Warner Brothers Entertainment company, and Village Roadshow Pictures. This is disc made in Mexico. Rated PG, parental guidance suggested. Some material may not be suitable for children, since some sequences of scary action. This is bonus material trailer not rated. It's 30% post-consumer recycled content, and color it's 97 minutes running time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. We can open that up. Here's the disc for the movie. Excuse me. And there is no inserts on this DVD case. Okay guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, goodbye!